Hello everyone. In this video we want to present the Companion app, a powerful tool to obtain the most out of your QuickSee Free. This app is available on Windows, Android and Mac OS. Download it from the Plenoptica website, Google Play or the Apple Store, and install it as a regular application. After launching the app, you will land on the device section, where you can scan for QuickSee Free devices and connect to them. In the lateral menu, or in the bottom menu if you are in portrait mode, you will find the different sections, are the support section or the patient log, that let you access all the records from your QuickSee Free devices. Let's start using it. So now I have this window here that is connected to the screen of my QuickSee Free, so we can see what is happening on it. To connect to a device, we have to ensure the QuickSee Free is in discoverable mode. To do so, just toggle the Bluetooth off and on. Then the device will appear in the other available devices. We can click on it to establish the connection. We have then to enter the 4-digit security code, we click submit and we will connect to the device. After connection, the Companion app will check if the QuickSee Free is up to date or if there is an update available. In this case, we have a new update, so we can just click update and the device will start updating. Once it is finished, it will turn off and disconnect from the app. After updating the firmware, reconnect to the QuickSee Free by putting it in discoverable mode. Then click on it in previously connected devices. Now that we are connected, we will find the patient information and the test result area. From the top bar, we will find the disconnect button and the settings. In the settings page, we find information about the device, as the software version or the battery level, and we can change some of its settings. Let's move back to the previous page. Now we can take a measurement of the patient. Let's open the camera, align with the eye, and start recording. Once the measurement is finished, the result will also appear in the Companion app. We can check that the result in the Companion app is the one is matching the result in the QuickSee Free. Now let's check the patient information. Here we can enter, for example, the date of birth of the patient, we can enter details about the subjective refraction, and we can also enter information about the current glasses of the patient. For example, if we have measured them using a lensometer. In this case, let's say the patient is wearing 1 diopter per eye. Now we have included the patient information and we have taken several measurements per eye. The Companion app lets you print visual exam report from your patients, demonstrating the potential improvement for vision correction. To do so, in the top menu bar, we click on Generate Patient Report. Here we can select the section and manage the report settings. For example, we can enter the store name, the store logo, for example the Plenoptica logo, and we can choose the refraction result threshold. This value will determine the difference in spherical equivalent between the current glasses and the updated prescriptions that will be shown as red, indicating that the patient will benefit from having an updated prescription. Additionally, we can include a custom message. Let's click OK. Let's click Next. We choose measurements, for example, the second, the first, and we generate a report. Let's say, for example, it here. We click Save, and the report will start generating. In the report, we can see the logo, the store name, and the rest of the information we included in the settings. Additionally, we find an evaluation using the value we entered in the settings, checking if the exam results are matching the current prescription of the patient. In this case, it is not, so the report will say that it is not agreeing with the current prescription. Additionally, we have a visual acuity simulation that will show how the patient sees without correction, with the current glasses, and with the updated glasses based in this exam. For example, we can see that with the current glasses the patient still suffers some astigmatism, but it can be corrected with the new glasses. Back to the companion. Once we have connected to a QuickSee Free device, all its records will be downloaded and we can access them from the patient log, even when not connected. The records are arranged so that the latest results will be shown on top. If we connect to a different device, its results will also be downloaded, and the records for both devices will be available. For example, here I have records from the QuickSee Free I just connected, and also we have records for a QuickSee Free Pro. We can go to the upper menu, select Export to CSV, and that will let us download all these records to a CSV file. Now that it is downloaded, we can load it in a spreadsheet editor, and we can see all the measurements we have taken. For each measurement, we are going to have the refraction data. If it is a Pro, we'll have the keratometry data, and on top of that, we will have all the patient information we have included. For example, the gender, the refraction, and all this kind of information will be available for you for further analysis. Back to the patient log, we also can filter for the records we want to check. For example, let's say I just want records from the patient ID 6. So we have two records, the one we took with the QuickSee Free, the one we took with the QuickSee Pro. You can also select one of them to download or to erase that record. But let's open it. If we open it, we see all the information we also had in the device section. We have the results, we have the patient information, the subjective refraction, the current glasses. From here, we can make the same functions as generating the patient report. But I want to show you the unit display options. These options let you to customize the way you see these results. For example, you can have the diopter precision increased as well as the axis precision. Additionally, we can choose to write them in a plus cylinder notation. The last section in the app is the support section, where we can access the manual or access the page to contact Plenoptica. Also, we can check for updates for the QuickSee Free companion app. In this case, it is up to date. Finally, you can customize your experience by changing the language of the app. For example, you can turn it to Spanish, back to English. Any language that is available is ready for you. You can also access it from the lateral menu. And that's all. All in all, this companion app, combined with your QuickSee Free, empowers professionals to manage records, check the results, and create comprehensive reports. Thank you for watching. We look forward to helping you make the most out of these features.